welcome to Be Yoga Connection. I'm Master Energy Medicine Yoga teacher Brittany, and today we have a short 5-minute flow for protecting your energy. So let's take a couple of centering breaths. In through the nose, out through the mouth, in through the nose, out through the mouth. Great. We're going to take our hands in front of the pubic bone and close the eyes. We're going to set an intention of protection. So maybe you phrase it, I am protected. Maybe it's my energy is protected. Whatever's resonating with you. On the next inhale, we're going to sweep the hands up the center line of the body. Flip at the throat to lock that intention in. Exhale through the mouth, smooth the hands to the sides. 2 more times. Middle finger comes to the belly button, opposite middle finger to the third eye. Push in and pull up. Release the hands to the sides. Inhale, sweep the arms overhead. Exhale, Celtic weave. Slowly draw figure eights in front of the body. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, fold. Fingertips to big toes. Trace back to the inside ankle bone, insides of the legs, out at the waist, up the torso to the shoulders, back down underneath the armpits. Shake it off. Inhale, sweep the arms overhead. And we're going to bring one hand over top of the other, starting to hinge at the hips like you're rolling a ball. Now notice which hand is going over which. And once you get down, reverse the hands and come back up. And one more time, reverse and hinge at the hips. Reverse and come back to stand. Widen the gap between the arms, engage the low belly, reach the chest up to the sky, gazes up to the sky, and ask for energy protection from the universe. And ask for protection. And ask for energy protection. Exhale, Celtic weave, draw figure eights in front of the body. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, fold. Start to sink the sit bones towards the ground. Pausing in your yoga squat. And then releasing the knees to the ground. Kick the heels out to one side or the other. And come to seat. And close the eyes. 2 grounding breaths. And in the mind's eye, imagine that there is a white light surrounding the body. A bright white light surrounding the body. This white light is your protection shield, shielding you from any negativity that you come in contact with. Knowing that you have the power to put up your white light shield at any time that you're needing energy protection. Beginning to open the eyes back up. Thank you for joining me for this short 5-minute energy protection flow. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more videos like this, and hit the bell so you're notified of all new videos. See you soon. Stay connected.